Alright guys, here we are in Boulder City, Nevada with this great looking Barris Mini T. I'm told that George Barris is the one that put this kit together, and then it was stolen from him, and then someone started making the molds on it. If anybody knows George Barris, he's the gentleman that built the Batmobile for Adam West back in the day. So as you can see, the gel coat's really nice on this car. The paint job's really nice. It's got some road chips here and there. You can see the wheels are color coded to match the car. Front end's all nice. Got a nice chrome hood ornament, I should say. Turn signals there in the front. Again, just a very nice looking car, as you can see. Has the luggage rack on the back. No amount of money was spared. I believe there's about $14,000 went into this car on the build. It's got 3,557 miles, I believe, on her. And that's the original model since it was completed. As you can see, the carpets and everything are all looking new, along with the seat done in tweed with black with yellow piping. It's got a short throw shifter on it, so the pattern's real tight. As you can see underneath the kick panels, you have a nice stereo system that's Bluetooth USB port. Speakers down below with all brand new wiring, as you can see underneath. This is one very nice put together buggy. Go around to the back here and show you the motor. As you can see, it's got pancake duals on it, 34 Solexes, nice chrome piece, nice muffler system, nice engine cage on it. The wiring is all braided lines, as you can see. Very, very nice job to a not so well-known car that's out there. So if you're looking for something different and you want to be different when you pull on that VW show, here's your baby right here. We're going to start it up now. Our brother's going to go ahead and kick it over. I'm going to operate the fuel back here, so just give us a second. Hasn't been started since yesterday. Here we go. See, she's running right now. I'll show you the inside here. Leave it up a little bit here. So, as inside, you can hear the radio and stuff inside. Again, she's got a good response to her. So you want to hit the fuel. Pull it towards you. And as you can see, with even revving her up, there's no blow-by, no smoke. This motor is brand new still. Again, hey, if you guys like my video, give me a call. It's that easy to buy from me. Remember, I'm not looking for any high bidder. I'm looking for someone that can enjoy this ride. Talk to you guys later.